Ayan na, dali-dali po sa popo. Good morning guys! Today is March 16 of 2017 and it's already 5 a.m. in the morning. Tapos we are on our way to Rojas because Max, our dog, our beloved partner, have a parade to attend. Yun guys, it's been a while since nakapag-vlog ni Bali. New Year pa at the last time. Nakapag-vlog sa Jensen. So, and busy life. So, actually, and napag-busy ka lang guys. Balik na po me. And we are going to celebrate Araw ng Dabaw. 80th pa or 90th? 80th Araw ng Davao here in our beloved city, Davao City. And of course, walang iba, wala akong ibang kasama kundi si Totz. Madayo Dabaw! Madayo! Anak niyo. And then, ang amuang special guest today is Max. Hi Max! Yun. So we bought a costume for Max. So hopefully mapansin siya. Kaya cute kaya siya tanawin. And yung cute tang ako siya tanawin. So thank you guys. I hope you will tune in. Continue to tune in into our channel. Tapos hopefully yun nga continuous pa rin ang atong videos. We don't stop. We just find opportunities lang na makapag-vlog me from time to time. So guys, now we'll get back to you pag nanami sa Rojas. And in fact, itong napag kay me. Wala pa may pamahaw ng pilang may kanina. So probably we're going to drop by some drive-thru para makakaon. Tapos si Max Pod, actually nakakaon na siya of sweets. And we'll be back to you guys. Hello guys. Max tawag ka. Actually, mo-agad niya akong for me situation every time upanon ako ni si Max o biyahe or mag-drive. Hindi kita siya magsabag sa po aking mamintana ni siya.
Wala ba na nakahirig mo?
Likat na. Ingana na siya. And every time mo-agad na yung situation. So nasanay hindi siya nga magingan. So yun man, wala siya nakahigot. Bak.
Wala na.
Hello guys. Yes, Max, haba kayo. Kana ngayon pagkaon. Max doesn't like eating dog food. He likes to eat man food. Hey guys, it seems to be raining. I'm not sure kung I'm sure madayo ng event. Probably there will be delays. Tapos sama Max! Hello guys, finally we are prepared and it's kind of raining pa hantod karon. So actually si Max is naka-costume na, yung hat na lang ang kulang sa iya. Show them your costume. You're a pirate. You're a pirate. So yun guys, we are waiting na lang for the rain to stop maybe para mag-start, and we are going on our group now sa Davao Pet Lovers. So guys, nag-prepare naggamit si Totz and we are actually almost 90% ready. So we'll be back to you guys. And oh, I got a hat, got a cup. Uy, Baymax. Baymax, the black version. So guys, I will be back to you. We'll be back to you guys. Hello guys, we are now on the road and it's currently umaambon gyapon. Si Max is higaw sa ngulo, makaayan, okay nga na si Max. So yun, so we are ready for the parade. A lot of people is here, a lot of people is there. Sila Sir Bombero, sila Sir Policeman, and sila Majorette. May mga Majorette. And sila preparing for the parade. And yes,
Big Mom.
we are here. T-shirt na lang. Hi Doggy! Uy, hello. Hello. Yan, so okay, we are currently here living ko. And we just met the Davao Pet Lovers members. Tapos actually nana si Max, ready na siya. Ready na siya, but the thing is wala may t-shirt and wala may, actually naka-film me pero wala namin nakabot sa releasing. Okay guys, we are now ready for the parade. Si Max ang pinaka-costume ka. Ayaw Max, dali Max. Costume ni mo, ana. Ana. Ano no ha? Friend lang. Friend lang. And guys, good news. We are an official member of Davao Pet Lovers. Yeah.
Tayo, Totz.
Davao CPJ. Hello, Jaggy. Hello, pa. Uy. Okay, guys. Good morning. We are about to start our parade. So here we go. And all of the pets are ready now. Here's Max, and here's another dog, and here's the sakyanan for the Davao Pet Lovers, and we have the Davao Pet Lovers banner. What the? Dog. Hello, baby. And here, there's the German Shepherd group. My favorite kind of dog. Uy, ginokadagkuan ni mga iroan ni. What to? Shit. Hello guys, good morning. We've been waiting here for a while. Almost 2 hours na may dali nagsulat. It's already 9 a.m. We've been here since 7 pa. 6 pa actually, so almost 3 hours na. Still we are waiting someone turn sa parade. For as I know, more than 60 plus siguro me, and probably mga 40 plus pang niyagi na tawagan ni mga mag-parade. So still, nagulat kami, banak tayo! Ay! Mag-away sila. Finally! One frog pooch. If you want to groom your dog, one frog pooch. And there's Max. Yan. Hello. Asin? Hello, bitin dito yung... Hello, Snakey.
Dito na bitin. Ang mo piging bitin.
Siya Snakey ba eh? Hi, Rasta Dog! Si Rasta Dog is here. Yan, so... Here guys, finally! Parade na Jubilee. And here's Max and Rasta Dog. And everybody with their pets. Yan. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Hello, Marwan. Si Marwan, the Rasta Dog. Right? Wow. The pirate Max. Okay guys, we literally started walking and Max seemed to get attention attention tungkol sa iyang costume. As you can see, tingnan ako si Max. Sikat kayo siya karon. And we still have lots of... Yan. We are the dog lovers. We are the pet lovers. Okay guys, literally we are now moving. So I don't know kung saan ang route sa ato ang parade, but actually everybody's enjoying all the dog show. So then si Totz, actually siya lang na nag-bitbit kay Matt, and Matt still walking, grabbing some attention because of his costume. But the best one is Rasta Dog. Yan. There's a wild beast at least. Si Max. Ako dere. Si Max. Si Max. Si Max. Max! Maki! Max! Oh, what happened to the dog? Habog now to puppy. Wow. Chow chow. Ipang kapoy na ang mga doggy. Nanakay na sila.
You're so cute. Ay, wala, sorry. Sorry lang.
Yeah. We are now being cold.
Please are welcome. We have a Facebook group and page related to fashion and social events. Just search Dabaw Pet Lovers and you see your offering. Everybody is welcome to join. Hi! Sa lahat, natin yung Araw Dabaw. Ang yun naman yung para na pag-show. Members as part of a family. We support animal rescue.
Okay guys, finally we arrived here sa Osmeña Park. Ako nangita kong lugaw, kinaday free na lugaw. So we are gathered here, kinaday packed lunch, free from Davao Pet Lovers. Ito, na dito with Max. Isay na.
Manglago magkukusutin, manglago matabot-tabot sa mata. Anak, biktima, anak sa hilok. Tanawan ni baso ganyo. Kanang tik-tik na hilok, anang ni polo ko, pinyan. Kaya ko na kanyang kablan, ang sakayban, tinaok, terminal.
So yun. Going back kasi wala ko nakita sa lugaw. So ayun. Here are all the Davao Pet Lovers members na adere sa Osmeña Park. Okay guys, hi, good noon. I think it's already 11 a.m. And just a conclusion lang to overall sa amuang parade. Actually, everything was fun, init. Dili kayo init actually. Medyo gloomy ang weather and mahangin. So far, best siya kay namin mga dogs kauban and hoping and I mean nag-hope na walay ma-aksidente ng mga dogs or any pets. So the parade is successful today. So there were a lot of tawagan ka ng mga police, sundalo outside and even fighter jets na nag-aagi mo tingala mo yung kalit lang. So yun lang guys, everything was fun. The parade was fun. And hopefully guys, yun nga, we would like to invite you to join us again next time. Next mag-appeal na po may parade sa Araw ng Dabaw. And of course, kauban na nga po na to si Totz. Ayun, and si Max is over there. And yun. So guys, we would like to invite you to please follow us on Facebook. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook. And follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Instagram. So Totz Adventure, guys. We'll be back to you with more travel and other activities. Guys, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Hi. So again, another dogs, another dogs. There's another dog everywhere. Hi.